Hey guys, welcome to second grade math. I'm Miss B. I'm just gonna do a quick breakdown really quick. We use a base 10 method for most of our math. So we break those numbers into base 10 blocks. So we have a big rectangle or square that equals 100, tally marks that equal 10, and little circles or dots that equal 1. In a tens rod, 10 ones equal 1 10 rod. And in this part, we'll be talking a lot about composing and decomposing 10 rods, which means we're taking some of our ones and regrouping them, how we were taught, into a tens rod, or decomposing the tens rod, which means borrowing, like we were taught in school. So our first one is going to be 54 minus 34. So it'd be 54 minus 34 equals, and we don't know, right? So we would break the 54 up into base 10 blocks. So because there's 5 in the tens place, we do 5 tens rods, 3, 4, 5, and 4 ones because it's the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And because we're subtracting, we don't put anything under this number. We're taking away from this base 10 drawing. So I'm going to take another color and go ahead and start crossing out. So my ones over here, I take 4 away. I have plenty. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I come over here to my tens and I take those away here. So I have 1, 2, 3. So now I have 1, 2 tens, which would equal 20. So that's one problem, okay? And then for adding, we'll do 37 plus 18 equals, we don't know yet. All right, so just like in the last one, we're gonna build this number with base 10 blocks. So because there's 7 ones, because 7's in our ones place, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, plus the number 18. Since we're adding, we're taking them, putting them together. So I have 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 10. So that's going to give us our answer. However, I always tell them to start in the ones place because we might have to compose. So put some tens together. Ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that all of these equal 10, right? So I'm going to put a tens rod down here. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to count my tens place. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and don't forget this bad boy down here, 50. So we have 55. So what we did right here was called composing. Or we would call it regrouping. So this is second grade math. I'm going to do one more example and kind of walk you through it, and then you let me know what you think. We'll do subtraction because it seems to be a little bit harder for our friends. So we can do 70 minus 53. We don't know, right? So right off the bat, I know I'm probably going to have to decompose a 10 because do I have a 3 over here? No. So I have to be cognizant of that. So when you're helping your friend at home, make sure you're getting ready to know if they're going to have to compose or decompose. If you need more help with that, let me know. I can send practice sheets home, whatever you need. So we have 70, so I have 0 ones, I have 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because I'm subtracting, nothing goes over here. So I'm gonna take a different color just so you can see, and I'm gonna subtract 53. So I'm gonna look in my ones place first, which is just like how we were taught. I don't have any ones to take away. So I know I'm gonna have to decompose a 10, so break up a tens rod. So I'm gonna circle it up and draw it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have 3 to take away. So 1, 2, 3. Genius. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tens away now. So I don't have this one anymore. We broke it up. So now I take away 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right? It's the same thing as you go in 70 minus 53. I can't do that. I'm going to borrow from my friend, right? I borrowed from my friend and put a 10 over here. 10, 9, 8, 7. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. You did the same thing that we do like this here. It's just visual instead of them just being like, oh, borrow from a neighbor. We're explaining how we break up those tens and how we're regrouping. I think that's all I have. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'm here to help. And when we get over to the thousands place, I will help you with that as well with more videos.